Hello everyone, welcome back, and this is the fifth part of Introduction to Manual Testing. So if you haven't gone through my previous videos, part 1, part 2, part 3 and part 4, I recommend you to please go through those videos so that you can understand much better the next what we are going to discuss about. So let me just brief you about the last what we have done till now, okay, in manual testing. And before that, I'll just like to tell you that with this we will be getting much closer to the end of this introduction to the manual testing series, and I'll be starting with a couple of other videos also. Like I'm planning on making a couple of videos on Python and Selenium also. Now guys, here what I need is a little support and help from you all guys. I see quite a few viewers, okay, quite a few people that are watching my videos, so it will be really very great help if you can just share the videos, like the videos and comment the videos. And moreover, I'm not getting more ideas on making videos, what topics my viewers like, what you like. So if you're going through my videos, just make a comment and let me know what you like and what would you like to watch the next topic on. Okay, so now just get back to our topic, that's manual testing. So in the last video we have seen that we had been discussing about the software testing life cycle, where we had 4 stages, that is test planning, test design, test execution and test closure. And we have discussed about test planning roles and responsibilities, the test design that we need to do, the HLTS, high level test case scenarios, documentation, low level test case scenarios, and data collection also, test case execution and its responsibilities like verifying test environment, smoke, sanity and all other performing test cases, a comprehensive testing, defect reporting, defect tracking, regression testing. So as I told that I'll be taking another video on this. And of course today we'll be discussing one about test case closure. So test case closure is the final step in software testing life cycle. Okay, so when we are done with all these steps, execution, the main is your test case execution phase, where you execute, you test your environment, you test your application. Okay, you test this in a discrete way, comprehensive way. Okay, so after this, the last, give me a minute. Sorry. So once we have completely done with our test cases, okay, we have performed our tests on the application, we have the results, we have everything, we have signed off the testing. So what is actually signed off? When we are done with complete testing, we have covered all the requirements that has been given to us in a form of test cases, okay, and we have the results, so we sign off the test, we sign off the test, okay, and we declare that if the test has passed or not. So we'll just very quickly will discuss about that in the next slide, that what is that. So after that, the last phase in this will be your test closure, sorry. Now what do we do in the test closure is evaluating the exit criteria. Now as I told that there is something called exit criteria in the planning phase, okay, when we are planning about test case, planning our test. So we have a criteria, we have certain criteria that we fix, that it should meet certain limit, okay, certain this many number of defects is okay, or these many functionalities, if it is impacted, and if it is even working fine but it has some kind of defects, and it's okay. So we have mentioned a kind of exit criteria. Okay, so if we meet that exit criteria, we say that we have signed off and application is successful with particular number of test case failed or particular number of defects still open. Okay, so that is one thing, we say that we have signed off with the case, or we have closed, we have met the exit criteria of the test. Okay, the next is collection of the artifacts from the activity, from the test activity. Now whatever we have we have performed, we have reports, we have screenshots, we have everything to prove that we have performed some certain test, okay, and this is in the test environment that was been set up, that the test environment setup. So everything is working fine or is not working fine. So whatever it is, we will collect those all artifacts. Okay, so these are known as artifacts, and we will make a report out of it. Now creating test summary report. So that's the next thing that we need to perform. That's the next responsibility in this phase. That is, we will create a summary report. Majorly, each team member or each person responsible in the team or the module will create its own report, okay, of the module, and will submit it to your lead. Okay, he will summarize it, and he will consolidate it, and that's the final report. That's what we need in the test closure. Sending the deliverables to the customers. Now these reports and test cases and everything, these are supposed to be sent to our customers. Now customers exactly doesn't mean your exact end customers. For example, if you take a app, okay, for example, Facebook, just let's take Facebook. So you are a test engineer in Facebook. You have tested face on Facebook also. You are not going to send this deliverables to the end customers, like we are the users of the test. So that won't be sent to us. Definitely there will be something else that is known as your UAT team, who needs this data, okay, to test in their environment, that is your to perform their UAT test cases. So it differs from different company to company again, okay, different domain to domain. For example, if it's an ERP project, you will definitely be submitting it to your managers and to the people who are concerned from the ERP side, okay, to your HRs. And also there will be a set of people who will be performing and evaluating that if they are okay with the application, and if this so there it will come into more into help, that whatever the reports that you have submitted, the artifacts that you have submitted, okay, so they will be able to evaluate more properly using this. Okay, and the last, and this is not very important, but yeah, this is if you say improvement and suggestion for future, you can just also give some suggestions and for the improvement in the application. If this feature was implemented or this feature was implemented more in this way, so it would have been much better. Or you can implement this feature we already have, so you can extend this feature to something. Okay, so those kind of suggestions definitely you can give at the end of the report, okay, at the end of the test, at the end of the day. So that many times proves quite helpful. Okay, so here finally the formal full test is full manual testing, introduction to manual testing is over. But yeah, the next whatever we are coming is two more topics. Maybe I'll cover that in 1, 2 or 3 more videos. So that will be coming up is your standards, the standards that we already have in market, like ISO, CMMI and all. So that will be hardly a couple of minutes of video, so that I'll host up. And next one is left with the domain knowledge, as we have discussed in the first video itself, that if you are applying as a experienced guy, so you need to have a little about domain knowledge. So we'll discuss very slight but overview about domains, what are the domains in the market and all. So I'll come with that video also. And next I'll be starting a couple of series more in different directions. So one in Python, anyway I'll be starting the last video that I was hosting up in Android. Okay, even that is that I'll be continuing with a couple of more videos in that can help you out. Okay, because that will help you out when we are doing Appium and all. So I'm planning for Appium and Selenium also, Selenium videos hosting. So here is what I need your support, I need your help. Please share these videos, please comment on the videos, what you need, what you really like to see. So just let me know via comment. Okay, let others know by sharing. Okay, and please just subscribe to my channel Tech and Tech. You can just click on my channel in this video below and go there, and you can watch all other videos whatever I have hosted. And moreover, I will be putting my links right here about my other videos. I have 2 playlists of manual testing and Android, so I'll just be placing one here and one here. So you can just click on this and you can just access the playlist and you can go through all the videos. And coming up next, we'll be doing with quality standards and domains. and thanks for watching. So if you really did like my videos, maybe that you like my other videos, please visit my channel, watch other videos. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching.